What's up, guys? We're back today, and as you guys know, the Miata has been down for, I think it's, I didn't drive it for like a month or 2 or 3, but I want to say it's been down for like a little over a week. So this is the part that we're going to be installing, and let me show you guys what happened. Oh, you know, let me go get that pack. You know, we're still working on the drift truck. It's coming along pretty good, but I do need this right here. I gotta clean the inside of this truck, but that's gonna be for another video when I'm actually installing something in it. Okay, so this is our problem. This is my coil pack, my OEM coil pack. I think it's OEM. I hope it's OEM. If not, either way, it's not too bad. Alright, let me get this bag out the way. I usually put a bag right here when it starts to rain. It was raining last week. Alright, so this is the OEM coil pack. Supposedly it's OEM, but I mean, it came off, you know, this Miata's like, whew, how many, like 20 some years old almost. I think it's like 27 years old. It's a 94 Miata. You guys know we have it boosted. And whoever's new to this channel, yeah, it's a turbo Miata. It is dirty. I haven't cleaned it up. So this was the problem. Last time that I was working on it, or I tried getting it running, it ran for a little bit. I want to say it ran for like 15, not even 10 minutes, because I was trying to charge up the battery. And okay, so cylinder 1 and 4 were misfiring. So this is the way the coil pack goes. This is for a 94. I believe it's the same for anything under, but the way this was going on, it's this pack right here, which is this one. This one supports 1 and 4, and I think this one's 3 and 2 and 3, something like that. But this one wasn't working. So I was having a misfire, and while it was running with the misfire, all I had to do was just pop off 1 and then pop off number 4, and the car was still running. Now if I were to pop off number 2 or number 3, the car would shut off, because then it's just running on 1 cylinder, because this coil went bad. This one's still good, but this one went bad. So what I ended up doing is, I didn't want to go and, you know, spend $700 or $400 on a, you know, one that they sell at O'Reilly's or something like that. They are really expensive, and you know, that wasn't my plan to get one like that. But we went ahead and went, I want to say, if it's eBay or Amazon, you know, deal, we got it for 60 bucks. This is the one. It's not too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Actually feels like exactly this one right here. The way you kind of know if it's from eBay or something, they have it right here, labeled which one goes, like which one goes to each cylinder. So this one's 1 and 4, which is placed like this. That's the one that went bad. Also, just by looking at this one, how I find out it went bad, let's see if I could get it on the GoPro camera. But on the inside right there, if you guys could see, it's cracked. So it's cracked pretty good, you know, like that's how I kind of figured it out that it went bad. And you know how it was misfiring from cylinder 1 and cylinder 4. You know, obviously I'm gonna go straight to the pack. The way you know that it's misfiring is just disconnect each spark plug cable, and if it shuts off, that means that one's still good. You know, if it doesn't shut off, that means that's the one that's causing your misfire, and you could trace wherever you're gonna be going to. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one. I know this one's not like A100, like it's gonna last me forever. This one's just temporary. I'm only gonna have this on here for a short amount of time. I only got it for like 50-60 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna see how it works. I hope it works good, you know, for the meantime. But the reason why I got this is because I am gonna be ending up building a LS2, you know, individual coils for this. But that's gonna take me like, I want to say a month or 2. But I need to move this car around. You know, I don't want it sitting no more. The only reason I had it sitting the other time was because it started raining. So that's the reason why we didn't run it. But I don't like to have my cars like just chilling, because I think it's just bad for them, you know, gas sits on them. So what we're gonna be doing is replacing this one, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully that was a problem. And let's go ahead and get started and install it and see what happens. Looks like we're all done. All I gotta do is install my battery, because I don't have a battery in the car, and I probably should have put the battery on a long time ago. But the reason why I took the battery out is because I put it on slow charge to make sure that the car will turn on and have no hesitations. My thing is, I took it off, actually, the ignition coil itself. So check this out. Where is it at? Alright, there we go. Let's see if we can get some sun. There we go. If you guys can see that crack right there, right here. So it's cracked all the way from here, down here, all the way to this little edge right here. So this is the one that was controlling 1 and 4. So I hope this one does something better. Not the one I just had, but the one in the car. Alright. Let's start it up. Alright, so we're all good now. It's just gonna run like that because I don't have a idle air control valve, so until it warms up, it'll start running a little bit smooth. It's working so far. That's a good thing. Alright, I'm gonna let it warm up for like 20 minutes, then I'll see where it's at. I'm gonna drive it throughout the night. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm not even gonna end the video right here. Actually, I was gonna end it right here, but I'm gonna go to a car meet. I'm gonna go do some things later on tonight. I'm gonna take the car, and I'll let you guys know in a bit. So let's go. Guys, we're in the car. Brian's in his car, and we're on the way to the car meet. Let's go, let's go. Man, if you guys could see my GoPro, it's all cracked. Time to go, guys. Brian.
Is that my truck?
Where? That could be. That's actually pretty sick with that flat red.
Oh,
Yo. So the car made it to the car meet, so the fucking coils did last. So far, we still gotta make it home. We'll probably do a little walk around a little bit. Look at that little Nissan.
competition too.
That is competition. Nah, ain't no competition till I get mine. Alright guys, so we left the car meet because I have a flat, and the flat is going down pretty fast. So we are like 20 minutes away from home. I kind of had a feeling I had a flat because on the way here, like, I felt like I had no power steering. Well, I don't have power steering, but it felt like I really didn't have power steering. So we just went to put some air in the gas station. The car meet was cool. It got really packed, but we had to leave early because of this. Ryan's over there. He's just staying ahead of me, just in case like my tire pops or anything. He'll run to my house and give me a tire. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for today, guys. The ignition coil is working perfect. You know, everything's working pretty fine. I'm not like misfiring no more, so everything came out pretty good. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned, and I'll see what else I have coming out. Peace out. You guys have a blessed day.